The National Weather Service launches weather balloons carrying atmospheric instruments from more than 90 stations twice a day. That's a little more than 5,000 a month and nearly 65,000 balloons a year. This practice has been going on since the late 1930s. So what are the chances one of these will fall back to Earth and land in your backyard? Still not very good. That's why the one Glenn and his wife found in their backyard one day was special.
Just walking along, seen something white. Just figured it was a piece of garbage or styrofoam. And then when I picked it up, I seen some sort of computerized something or other. Had a transistor thing on it, and then I realized it probably wasn't garbage.
What they found was one of these. It's called a radiosonde.
When we're getting the information back from the radiosonde, it's actually sending us a temperature, dew point, and then wind speeds as it rises. It will go up about 90,000 feet before it pops, and then it's actually attached to a parachute in that string so that it will drift down to the surface.
But this particular radiosonde wasn't launched today, yesterday, or even a week ago. Not even close.
This envelope rolled up in there. The date on it was sometime back in '89. You could tell it was laying on the ground for some time, but I didn't realize it was there for that long.
Back then, they did look something like a piece of styrofoam cooler you'd buy at a nearby gas station. But times and technology have changed. Now they look like something you'd find filled with kung pao chicken from your local Chinese takeout restaurant. Yet this particular piece of equipment holds another secret. It was launched from Omaha, Nebraska.
About 100 to 150 miles on a regular day. They can go a little farther with the stronger wind.
This balloon traveled past the normal range, covering a 600-mile trip and landing in Crandon. A trip that would take you about 10 hours in a car, and possibly an unofficial record according to the National Weather Service in Omaha. Who knew what looked like a piece of garbage in the woods actually held secrets of weather history? Ryan Michaels, Newswatch 12, Crandon.